really looking forward to network with like a lot of different people from different countries, and I really expect to have a lot of like input for like different sides, from marketing to planning to programming, and like to bring home and bring to my cinema like a lot of like new skills and like a new horizon, a new perspective of like how to face like the next months, the next years, especially because of COVID and everything is like something more.
The marketing and the programming parts have been really interesting. I learned a lot, and the training is a great way also to meet colleagues from all around Europe and all around the world, to also meet from different sectors. So I'm a distributor, but I learned a lot by just speaking with exhibitors.
There was no social distance because we could communicate and we could emotionally connect to each other, which I think is the most important thing in each training, because what I feel now at the end of the training is inspiration, and this is what I came for.
This beautiful scenery is definitely a bonus, and the rest of the interaction in the market and in the festival and being able to see films, and this was like going back to a sort of normality. It was a lot of information and a lot of time trying to pay attention to the speakers and their presentations.
I came to get inspiration, to get knowledge, and to get really ideas how I can continue in the future. We live in a very uncertain time, and probably it will be becoming even more uncertain, who knows. So the future of cinema is in our hands, and we need to have the inspiration to embrace the challenge.